Unlock professional-grade Instagram live streams directly from your Sony A7 IV and elevate your real-time content game. First, let's get your Sony A7 IV connected. You'll need a capture device, like an Elgato Cam Link or similar. Plug your HDMI cable from the A7 IV's HDMI output into the capture device, and the capture device into a USB port on your computer. On your Sony A7 IV, navigate to the menu, go to Setup 5, then HDMI settings. Ensure your HDMI resolution is set to 1080p and that HDMI info display is turned OFF. This ensures a clean video feed without camera information overlaying your stream. Now, open your streaming software, like OBS Studio or Streamlabs in your software. Add a new video capture device or select your capture device from the drop-down menu. You should now see your Sony A7 IV's output on your computer screen. Next, open the Instagram map on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the top and select Live before you go live. You'll need to get your stream key and server URL. You can obtain these from a platform that supports RTMP streaming, which many streaming software applications can integrate with, or by using a service designed for this purpose. Back in your streaming software, go to Settings and then Stream. Select Custom as your service. Paste your server URL and stream key into the respective fields. Ensure your output settings are optimized for streaming, typically encoding in H264 with a suitable bitrate for your internet connection. Now, for optimizing your A7 IV settings for the best live look, consider using the prime lens for a pleasing bokeh effect. Adjust your exposure triangle Y aperture, shutter speed, and ISO Y to achieve a well-lit and sharp image. For shutter speed, aim for double your frame rate. So for 30 frames per second, use 1/60 of play with your picture profiles to get the desired look. Perhaps sign profiles for a more cinematic feel, and use the manual focus for consistent sharpness. Once your streaming software is configured and your A7 IV is dialed in, simply hit Start Streaming in your software. Then, on your Instagram map, tap Go Live and your high-quality feed will be broadcasting to your followers.